3.2 एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखते हैं. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. तो आपको जो 3 कंडीशंस मैंने पढ़ाई थी वो आपको याद होनी चाहिए. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then there is a unique solution and lines are intersecting lines. Second case, A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2, then lines are coincident and infinitely many solutions. And A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, then there is no solution and lines are parallel. तो वही हम यहाँ पे चेक करते हैं. तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन 5x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0 compare with A1 x plus P1y plus C1 equals to 0. Here we get A1 is equal to 5, B1 is equal to minus 4 and C1 is equal to 8. Second equation compare with A2x plus B2y plus C2 equals to 0. Here we get A2 is equal to 7, B2 is equal to 6 and C2 is equal to minus 9. Now we take the ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. A1 by A2 is equal to 5 upon 7 and B1 by B2 minus 4 upon 6. So minus 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 by 3. तो यहाँ से ही आप देख सकते हो कि 5 by 7 है minus 2 by 3 है, मीन्स A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. तो आपको C1 by C2 लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Therefore A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, means lines are intersecting lines, right? So lines intersect at a point. तो यहाँ पे हमने A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2 की वैल्यू लेके A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 लाया, right? So lines are intersecting lines. Second example देखते हैं. Compare with A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. Here we get A1 is equal to 9, B1 is equal to 3 and C1 is equal to 12. A2 is equal to 18, B2 is equal to 6 and C2 is equal to 24. Now we take the ratio A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2. A1 upon A2, 9 by 18, 1 by 2, here we get 9 2 is 18. B1 by B2, 3 upon 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 is 6, 1 by 2. C1 by C2, 12 upon 24, 12 2s are 24, 1 by 2. So A1 by A2 1 by 2, B1 by B2 1 by 2 and C1 by C2 1 by 2. Therefore here we write A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Lines are coincident, right? There are infinitely many solutions. Lines are coincident. So हमने यहाँ पे A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2 की वैल्यू लेके A1 by A2, B1 by B2 एंड C1 by C2 को 1 by 2 लाया और तीनों इक्वल है. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? लाइन्स आर कोइंसिडेंट. सम 3 देखते हैं. Comparing with A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. Here we get A1 is equal to 6, B1 is equal to -3 and C1 is equal to 10. Comparing with A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Here we get A2 is equal to 2, B2 is equal to -1 and C2 is equal to 9. Now we take the ratios A1 upon A2, 6 upon 2, 2 3s are 6, it is 3. B1 upon B2, -3 upon -1, we get here 3. And C1 upon C2, 10 upon 9. So A1 by A2 is equal to 3. B1 by B2 is equal to 3. दोनों सेम है, बट C1 by C2 10 by 9 है, वो दोनों के इक्वल नहीं है. Therefore here we write A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Means lines are parallel. Therefore lines are parallel. तो हमने यहाँ पे भी रेशियो लिया A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2 की वैल्यू लेके रेशियो लिया A1 by A2 3, B1 by B2 3 एंड C1 by C2 10 by 9 है. तो यहाँ पे A1 by A2 इक्वल्स टू B1 by B2 होता है, इज नॉट इक्वल टू C1 by C2, मीन्स लाइन्स आर पैरेलल.